This is the Dunlop MotoGP tyre manufacturer in the United Kingdom. Come with us and enjoy the tyre production in this factory. First, the tyre design passes through finite element analysis. Then natural rubber, synthetic rubber, silica, and other raw materials are mixed by a machine. After the mixing process, the resulting material is cut for further tyre building processes. Not only rubber is used in producing tyres, but also fabric and other raw materials are added. Next, the carcass of the tyre is made by a machine. The carcass of the tyre is now wrapped through the 0-degree belt, and the mixture is applied to the straps. The sidewalls of the tyres are built, which will later provide stiffness to the tyre. The tyres pass through the curing process, which is the final process that hardens the polymer material. More than 250,000 racing tyres are made every year in this factory. Finally, the tyres are ready to be used in the amazing MotoGP race.